Okay, so I got this type of wire. I take the outside jacket off first. We'll see how it works. I did one. It took time to set it up because I have to really open the rollers up, but let's try it. I'm not sure if it's the right roller. I think I had the wrong roller. Hard to say because if it crimps it, it's really hard. This one's stuck. It's really hard to get the outer jacket off. Let's just do a couple more. Sometime with this type of wire you have to go do a double pass, like you reverse it. I'll show you this wire when it's stripped. See, maybe I kinked it a bit. Oh, that's a problem with this stuff. Kinks the inner one. On a good day, it should come out, but I think it's crimping a little too much. Grab another one. It's a little finicky, but it's kind of what it is. Feels loose. I think it might be okay. Here it is. See, because once you kink this aluminum outer jacket, then you got problems. Okay, so this one is like a multi-strand inside. I don't know, it could be like 9 strands, but wrong one. This is what it looks like. This is one length here, 1 2-foot length. See that? So it might be worth stripping maybe. Must be. It's a little bit tough, Anyways, let's try 2 more. Actually, I'm gonna run this one through, but I'm not gonna strip the other one because I gotta really clamp down tight to get the really small wires. See them? Got a good pair of pliers, it can be a little bit easier. Okay, so once you adjust this, the key thing is getting adjustment. You know, especially being this BX. But I'm going to end up stripping all this. Came out easy. Okay, so now let's see. We got one bare. See, one wire. So it's like 14 gauge, but stranded. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4. 12, so 12 insulated, so 13 total. So it's quite a bit of copper there. So I think I'm gonna basically strip them. I'm not gonna strip that now because I have to bite down on this side really tight to do those small ones. I'm gonna do all the big ones first. And this one didn't get it all. I'll put this one through for a second, see what it does. It's kind of gimped up. I'll do one. We'll try. I just want to. See, I have totally loose here. All it's doing is just crimping it. I'll bite down a little harder. The blade actually goes in here. So I can't do nothing until these are all stripped. And then I'll adjust this one. But anyways, I just want to show you how it's coming off there. Pretty tough, this one. It'll come off a little bit easier. So we're gonna go to a job in North Vancouver. It's Hoarder's house. It's got lots of stuff in there. It's an inspection, but anyways, we'll see there. Okay. I'm at the Hoarder house. Hey, how you doing? Look at this. I like to see nice piece of brass like this. Lots of crap, huh?
Should be worth your while.
This is brass right here. That's worth my while right now, just this. Ooh.
There you go.
It's a skirt, like, it's around steel, right? But price is right. See, it has to be stripped completely. Yeah. How much?
$2.
$2. See, it's brass here, but look at how hard. See, it's all steel and it's got a brass skirt on it.
Okay.
It'll be
Still something though, eh?
oh, for sure. But it's you have to strip every piece of it. Unless it's maybe it's not. Maybe it's plated. Might just be crapped. Might not be brass. Weird. Might be plated. Might get ripped off here.
Did you get ripped off though?
Got ripped off. It's weird. I've never seen this. It's like it's got a real thin something there.
Is it worth anything?
I don't know. Steel. Okay, let's gonna rummage around for a minute and take a look.
Well,
Let's see what's here. Okay, stand by. So here's a bit of a taste of the Hoarder house. Wow. And everything's ours too, which makes it nice. What is that?
there's nothing in
I can't see people going through everything and finding everything. There's just so much stuff here.
it. I think it's hidden.
It's gonna be hidden, oh yeah.
I think it's
Family maybe went through here and grabbed a couple things, but
But underneath this there, would be interesting.
well, there's lots of doll parts.
Well, yes, she's a doll person.
See, this is not old, but you can still sell the stuff.
Okay.
It's still sellable because you take an antique doll head,
Well, there's a
put it in a
bunch
repo body.
There's
I'll have to get my lights.
this here is pretty interesting. I don't know what it is. Maybe you do. It's brand new.
It looks like almost like a radar detector.
Is it?
No, but it plugs in. Okay, turn aside. What's it say there? No, let me see this here.
Oh, here.
Oh, it's a guard stabilizer for something.
Okay.
No camera. Someone took the camera out here.
Yeah, no, I saw that.
Someone may have actually.
Oh, they've been, yeah, I'll show you. See, there's price tags on things.
No, that's old. That's not really a price tag. That could be silver. That could be copper.
Okay.
Be stainless. Transformers here.
Is it worth money?
Big mortars. Oh yeah, of course. Well, scrap metal, right?
Yeah.
I got a Mastercons. Lots of wire here. Big mortars. Look at this wire here. Scrapper's Paradise. Look at that.
Okay.
More brass here. Oh yeah, there's gonna be something good here. I can smell it. Sometimes you find coins and stuff in these little spots here, huh?
Is this empty? Yeah.
This is kind of people kept everything, didn't throw nothing out, huh?
Yeah.
Gotta get my mask on because see stuff like this, checking your antifreeze levels for like the to see how good it is. These are old magazines here. Kind of stuck Popular Mechanics or Popular Science, but kind of stuck together. Too many rats went in here. Looks like.
There was stuff like this, you know, where they had price tags on them.
Yeah, but they may have brought out that stuff recently or years ago.
Well,
Look at a
they
whole
may
little wire.
Oh, here. Look at this. I
Copper.
thought, is this worth any money?
It's a projector.
No, it's it's an old phone thing.
Well, it's a fax machine. Just gold recovery.
Hey?
Not for sale, but just for gold.
Oh, okay.
Possible gold boards and stuff.
Okay, you can have it.
That's an old fax machine. A lot of metals here. Stainless
You
steel,
get a couple of
copper.
what's it? How come that's so fucking long? Oh, there it is.
Censored, Michael. Can't swear.
What?
Can't swear. Oh, it's an old milk bottle here. Look at that. Oh, it's not a milk bottle. It looks like one.
What do you mean don't swear?
Oh, I'm making my video.
Oh, sorry.
There's tons of wire here. No, that's not any wire. What is this? A lot of fabric and stuff. Okay, we're gonna show you another room. We're gonna go. There's stuff everywhere. Double mask. Like old stuff, you know what I'm saying? Must have been an old timer lived here. Check this out here. Look over here. It's a whole room here. Oh, there is a milk bottle. Right there is a milk bottle. Speaking of milk bottles, nothing on it. It's too bad. It's brass. Look at this old typewriters. There's gonna be something good here. I know something collectible. Metal cases. A lot of scrap. See, all this wire. This looks nice here. Home and auto test. New off stock. See, look at this. Brand new tap. Brand new tap. Another tap. Scrap life. Toilet, even it's got toilet seats here. Wow, they're gonna spend a whole day here. So I say I can't predict what I'm doing. Every day is a different day. There's a big electrical motor here. A lot of scrap here. Aluminum there. Well, obviously we're looking for the better stuff, right? But you just never know. Hulk Hogan. Okay, what's here? Knocker case, nothing. Someone did rifle through here a little bit, but more aluminum track. It's a piece of copper here too. Oh, look at this. That's all aluminum, copper, lawn chair. A lot of scrap here. Just kind of somewhat going quick, just to show things, right? But I'm gonna have to dig because there's a lot of boxes here. There's a sander in there. Oh, is that ColecoVision? Oh, look, I got a box. So I have a ColecoVision. That box is gonna make it worth a little more. Oops. So is there more ColecoVision stuff here? Records. Somebody may have took some of the better stuff, but you know, better stuff might not be collectible. Baseball bat, aluminum. Someone may just rifle through and said, hey, this is all garbage, right? Drill, old-fashioned drill. Not even a drill, what is it? It's some kind of drill. That's an old doll right there. Oh yeah, that's old. See, that's sellable. Creepy looking, but people can restore it. The whole yard's overgrown. Sometimes you find just primitive things like, you know, old Crocs in the backyard. Mixers, chandelier. Typical hoarder situation. tab. That's pop called tab. Remember that bottle? Paper label. My buddy collects china and different things, so I'll toss some of the weird china and stuff. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, there's all the stereos he was saying. Bunch of stereos. Nothing that great. Oh, look at all the rat shit in the corner there. Unbelievable. Antique price guide. Oh, look at that. Full of stuff. Wow. See, they probably had some cool stuff in here. It's been taken out. Got something in that velvet there. Interesting piece of furniture. These old Kodak tins are worth money. I don't know what this thing is. Something goofy. It's probably Noritake. I did one job and the guy was old, but he didn't care about nothing, and I got all those booze. He had so much bottles of booze, I sold it for like, I don't know, like $100 or something, but one bottle was worth over $100. So where's the good stuff? The good stuff. I went to there. See, no one's been through here. Look at this. It's just untouched. You can tell if it was gone through. It's just junk. But the guy could have a stamp collection, something hidden here. Coins. You have to check every square inch of this house. Look at this. Everything's jam-packed. See, people hide stuff usually. Just don't know. When you got the okay to take anything you want, you have to take advantage of that, right? See, look at that. Poor old person. I feel bad, but it's just gonna go to garbage dump it anyways. When they do asbestos removal here, it's probably in a drywall. It's gonna be dumped out the back. See, you're gonna get false teeth. The old one's got gold, 14 karat. I'm just taking just a slight look. But obviously I'm gonna be looking a little bit harder. Little purse. Traveling kit. It's gonna spend so much time. Priorities get a little scrap. Oh, that's actually pretty nice there. I like that. It's locked, but I think I'm gonna take that. It's a little sewing thing. I mean, shows a little sewing. So like a hope chest. It's got stuff in it. All the photos. I'm not seeing anything outstanding. I'm just seeing just general garbage. But definitely, you know, it's something I can do with it. This is old right here. Balloon blower. It's old. It's missing the lid, I think, or something. Nice little graphics on that, actually. 36 balloons, so it's a balloon container. But that's a nice cabinet there. So obviously, the family must have took what they could. But it's always the basements you find good stuff. You like scrap and you know, that kind of stuff. Even this thing is actually, oh, it's a stackable table. I don't know if there's anything in the attic or not, but 70s furniture. Guys, clean here. It's one of those rodeo ones from Alberta. This really, everything's still here. I'm not expecting too much. Ooh, look at that. It's just, oh, this could be something good. It's a diamond or something. Fine jewelry. It's appraisal thing. This could be gold. This is gonna be good. Could be a real diamond. Oh, my glasses is a problem. I think that's might be the best thing in the whole house, maybe, if that's a little diamond. Can you want to see? It's like a jeweler's thing. Oh, cubic zirconia diamond imitation certificate. That's retarded. Who the hell would? Who cares about a cubic zirconia? Why do we need a certificate? It still goes in the pocket. Suck. Give it to someone, I guess. But like, who would need a certificate? You know what I'm saying? Let's see, this place here. Like I say, someone must have took it and read it. That's why it's still there. But I'm sure the family went through everything. Laser pointer, I wonder if it works. Okay. Oh, it's a black light. That is handy. Here's a bunch of collectible irons. Over here. See that? Throw irons. This box might be a problem. You can open fire. Oh, that's got a name on there. Asbestos. Huh? It says asbestos. Different. Another one. I don't see no asbestos on it. There's going to be a lot of stuff here. Who's this guy? Oh my. Where am I? Dave Enos. Who he is? So CB radio. What's on top here? This one's sellable. It's old. Composite of something. ski pole, scrap metal, scrap aluminum. Sometimes these are aluminum or graphite. It's aluminum cane. Lots of pots and pans up there. All aluminum. The track lighting here. A shovel. Worst case scenario, aluminum. There's lots of extension cords and wire. Christmas lights. This is a nice one here. Copper. Okay, I'm gonna keep getting more stuff. So many extension cords here. Little pieces of brass. Extension cords. I don't know what this stuff is here. It's clips. A lot of empty things. Kind of like to get a container, some better stuff. Old vacuum. Whew. A lot of stuff. Bulky.
all plastic.
Yeah. You look that way a little more. Shuffle back a bit. Let me get my headlamp, okay? Okay, now we got the light on. I need to grab the CB antenna. SMR. Too much dust. Okay, so I'm gonna check this way. Forget this antenna. I'm gonna take it in my car right away. I think it's CB, but it could be wrong. It's got a stainless steel mounting base. A nice vise, a couple motors, copper, jumper cables, lawn chairs, a couple taps. Okay, I want to kind of, I'm gonna grab this mortar. To find my cutters. I lost them now. All this garbage here. Had on top of here before. That's the problem with these houses, is you lose shit, right? That's a joke. Let's go, brass on the toilet seat. See that? It's brass. Yeah, I have to go try to find my cutters. Brass. Looks like brass. Okay, stand by. All this is either stainless steel or aluminum. These piles there. Looked at some of the food. Look, I thought, holy smoke, little food here. It's 2015. Crazy, huh? That's brass, actually. Small piece here. Oh, more pots and pans. A little too much stick. Too much stick. Should be quite a bit of stainless. It doesn't matter how you get scrap right, as long as you get it. Really nothing of value here, it's just...
No, I know it. Fucking bed with it. You don't want the stereo strip?
Probably not.
Yeah.
Can't believe the amount of pots everywhere I look. There's a pot.
Yeah.
Pot, pan.
So if it's
It's steel if it sticks.
okay.
Still really worth nothing. Not right now. The brass here. Okay.
Okay.
Crazy, huh? Huh.
You think they were for 20?
Get out a big family. Okay, I think. Brass. Okay, this is brass. Ornament, well, could be pot metal, but it's, might be brass. But anyways, it's either pot metal or brass. Lots of wires and stuff. This chair is cast aluminum. Right there. Easy to strip, just a bunch of bolts. So we can load. Still gonna go around, ready for rum. My buddies went to get something to eat. So I'm just gonna rummage a little more. Just upstairs, there's closets and stuff. There's extension cords and stuff around. Some are usable, some are just garbage. Hoarder's phone. More pots. I can't believe it. I thought I missed those two. Wow, there's a lot of pots. Must have like 50 pots or something. So many. Hoarder's phone looks kind of nice actually, but it's just so filthy, the house. And these pots here, heavy cast, easy to strip. Okay, so we keep moving. I'll show you what else I find as we find more. A real nice looking camera here. It's a Ricoh 300. I'd say it's probably worth something. This stuff is just brass. Worn out. Okay, we'll check this one out here. It's not that good. But, well, there was a camera in there, so just never know, right? Only hope is a few areas. So many cords, like cord after cord, crazy. Second plumber. See, extension cords. That's all I find is extension cords. Acetone, all kinds of weird stuff in this house. See? And the camera would be the best item in the whole house. Nobody got that chest here. That chest was nice. Shoe shine kit. Extension cord after extension cord. House of extension cords, yeah. No coin collection. Nope. I found one coin box downstairs with no coin in it. The silver dollar box. I don't know what's really in here. Just don't got the vibe, if you know what I mean. I think that's it in this area. Okay. Here's my load I got from the house. I got, I think, 3 fax machines, lots of extension cords, lots of aluminum. Like, that's clean. I got the Seiko box here. I got Seiko watches, so I figured, hey, I have a box rate. So I'm not doing this today. Forget it. So I'm gonna do something else. But like, see, that's cast here, very clean. Just pop that off. Clean. See that? It's heavy cast. Same with this one. You just have to go like this. So I'll probably be sorting stuff out. Lots of wire. Some I can strip, but not too much. See, right here. That's clean. See. Let's look in the back. So, there's all kinds of stuff here. Got this here. The Men's Man Campbell. It's probably like a tailor or somebody. Look at this Christmas wreath, is kind of cool. It's old. Price on it actually, $25. It's pretty rare. I don't see them too often. This one. So, good little assortment. Lots of stainless steel. Lots of wire, at least one close to garbage can wire for sure. By the time you all extension cords. Like that's clean. Cookie sheet's clean. So pretty good. Happy. Like I say, kind of was a bust to be honest. That house I thought it'd be better. It was just a lot of rat shit and just not that great to be honest. My buddy got the trunk, was pretty nice. I did get this recoil camera. Found this here. This is some sort of sometimes these are silver, but I don't think this one is, but it's missing a knife. This is a made in Germany doll head with the real eyes in there. So that's kind of nice. That's worth something. Then I got this lamp here. These are actually pretty collectible. Almost like it's put together. I'm not sure if it's original, but anyways, that's how it came. Lamp, and I got this doll. That's about the only good stuff. This doll is, it's a beater, but like I say, it's old. Victorian, it could be Victorian, maybe, who knows? Just judging by the look. So anyways, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Another hoarder house, like you've seen how bad they are, right? This one, there was fridges all over downstairs that were full of food. I didn't even open them up, they were just dripping out. I saw cans on the shelf and I thought they're like brand new food. I was figuring I'd give it to one of my brothers. I looked at them 2015. So, I guess when you get old and stuff, people just don't pay attention to stuff, and that's what happens, you know, they don't take care of things. And anyways, this is what happened. I'm not sure what happened here. They must have sold the property. Did they go to a home? Did they die? I don't know. But the end result is all the dolls are gone because they must have a doll collection because all the showcases are empty and stuff. So there must be a lot of dolls there. But like I say, they're all gone. I just imagine there was doll parts there, but they were brand new. I didn't grab them. I just grabbed the doll head here, and that was about it. Okay, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like. As always, thanks for watching. Have a great day.